Hello, and if you tuned into this video today, we are staying here at the Westin Turtle Bay. We are in the junior suite, so we're just going to come in and show you a tour. We've just put our bags in. They've given us a kind of free upgrade from a deluxe room. We've just got a room 914. Right, so as you can see, as we come in the door, we have, just take that off first, safety first and everything. When you first come in, I didn't even see this. You've got a nice long mirror to make sure you check yourself before you wreck yourself on the beach and everything, I guess. We have coffee making facilities all around here. You've got a mini bar and you've got some storage space. Now, if you're here all inclusive, all the stuff in the mini bar is actually free. You can use anything. So obviously all of this is all free and included, and it's stocked up every day. So this is all free of charge, all the nuts and everything. Give a bit to open if you haven't opened it before. Probably a good tip. Open it before I show you, so I don't do like the form. And then we come into the main bedroom. Look at the grand scale of this. This is a lovely room. I mean, this is absolutely huge. You've got a queen size bed, lamp either side, drawer space. If you like listening to your iPhone music, you can play it on this dock. Bluetooth speaker thing. Obviously just a lounge area, which you can chill. It's quite nice. They've given us free bottled water, and they're giving us, just because we've arrived in here, we've got walnuts and apricots in a box for a snack we could take down the beach. And then obviously when you come into the room, you don't have to bring your own towels. They do provide you with a towel that you can use down on the beach. Just to state, this bag is only here for your stay, so you can take this down the beach, put your towels in. It's not to take home. We've been given one earlier from Emirates, a nice green bag, which if you watch the vlog we'll show you then. And obviously you've got a desk space, which we'll be using to upload the videos and everything else like that around here. So before we have, this is, now in a room you mostly only get one balcony. We have two balconies. This is one of them. So let's go out here. So this is our first balcony. Actually, you could have a party of 10 up here, pretty much, with everyone. Like, look at the space. You've got a seating area, and you're looking out. We're actually overlooking the beach. We've never had an ocean view before, have we? So this is nice. This is balcony 1 of 2. So come back in with me. Come over here, come over here. Ignore this, this is just all empty space down underneath the TV here. So there's nothing there to see. Now this is a balcony of all balconies. So as you can see, look at this balcony we have. So we have a nice lay down area. If we want to put our drinks down from the minibar, we can put them here. Table.
James, why are we only here for 5 nights?
I know, right? And then we got, if we don't want to go down to the beach,
oh my
we
God,
can come back into the water, and we've got nice sun lounges.
Oh my
Look
God.
at this space. Absolutely incredible. And not only that, the bathroom's pretty spectacular too, so let's go in and have a look at the bathroom. And now we've come back in from the master of all balconies, let's come back through here to the wash basin area. So first of all, as you can see, you've got his and her sinks, loads of room, so you don't have to fight when you brush your teeth together when you go to bed. You can look at your loved one while you're brushing your teeth, get a lovely view. And in here we have good wardrobe space, got an ironing board, good amount of coat hangers. And on this side, we have just more cupboard space here. On this side we have the safe in, but we don't have, you've got lots of storage space but no hanger space over here, but you've got plenty of room. You could bring your whole house here. You have tons of room. And in here, I'm guessing this is the mouth side because we don't need a lot of hanger space compared to women. We've got a nice, that is the thickest dressing gown I've ever seen. More storage space. As we come into here, you've got this mother of all baths.
Second biggest bath we've ever had.
Yeah, which is like absolutely insane. Nice great bath. So we're going in here, which is, oh my God, a massive rain shower. Look at this in here. So you got all your amenities, shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. So you don't really need to bring anything. Obviously if you have hair types that essentially bring your own shampoo and conditioner, which is what we do. You've got a nice rain head shower, loads of space, which is amazing. Which leads us to the last bit of the room. As if flown, as you can see here, lovely big toilet, lovely big room. It's really nice, isn't it? This room. So this concludes our room tour. So thank you so much for watching our room tour. We hope you've enjoyed this. This is a junior suite at the Westin Turtle Bay in Mauritius. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. It's free to create an account. And if you've liked this video and you've made it this far, it's very important you smash the like button for us on the video and leave us a comment down below so you push the video out to other fellow travellers like yourselves. It really helps us out a lot, massively. And we will see you in the next video next week.